guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlen. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make pickled red onions with habanero peppers. It's absolutely delicious, it's super easy to make, and it makes a perfect garnish for your salads, tacos, and sandwiches. So let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients that you need to make the red pickled onions with habanero pepper are 1 large onion, 2 habanero peppers. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of lime juice, 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of pepper, and 1/2 tablespoon of oregano. And these are all the ingredients that you need. As you can see, they're super basic and easy to find. The first thing that I like to do is prepare the red onion. This is a large red onion. I'm going to go ahead and peel it, and then I'm going to slice it into very thin slices. You can cut it into the thickness that you like. I like this to be nice and thin. Once I'm done slicing the onion, this is what it looks like. It's thinly sliced. Now you're going to need a container big enough for all the ingredients. I highly recommend that you use a container that has an airtight lid. I like to use a glass container. You don't have to. I just like to use it. That way when you wash it, it doesn't smell like onion. If you use a plastic one, it'll still kind of smell like onion. You can use a mason jar. Once I have all the onion in the container, now I'm going to start prepping the habanero peppers. I'm going to be using 2 habanero peppers. You can adjust the spiciness of this to your liking. You can add 1 or you can add more. I think this is on the spicier side with just 2. So if you don't like something too spicy, you can always add 1/2 a habanero or just 1. So I'm going to thinly slice it. I'm going to add the seeds and everything on there. I just want them into very small pieces. The habanero is going to give it a nice kick and an awesome flavor too. I'm going to finish squeezing the lime juice out of the limes. You need 3/4 of a cup of lime juice. You're going to need about 6 to 8 pieces of large limes. It all depends on how much lime juice the lime has, but you need 3/4 of a cup of lime juice. So now I'm going to put all the ingredients together. As you guys could see, this is super easy to make. Here I have the red onion, the habanero peppers. I'm going to add oregano, salt, and pepper. If you can't find this type of pepper, you can always use crushed pepper, about 1/2 tablespoon of crushed pepper. I'll add 3/4 of a cup of lime juice, and then you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, you can also substitute it for apple cider vinegar. I'll mix all the ingredients together, that way all the flavors can combine. The liquid that I added is going to cover about halfway. As the time goes by, it's going to start to cover all of it. It's going to start to pickle the red onions and the habanero, and this is absolutely delicious. It goes with your tacos, sandwiches, you could put it on salads. It's delicious. It's been about 15 minutes, and as you guys could see, the onions are starting to get pickled. Now what I'm going to do is cover it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours of being in the fridge, the pickled red onions with habanero peppers are all done, and this is what they look like. It smells absolutely amazing. The oregano just gives it such good flavor and aroma. And as you guys can see, this is super easy to make. This lasts about a week in your fridge. Just make sure you cover it, that way your fridge doesn't smell like onion. Well guys, this is the recipe for today. I hope you guys like it and make it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.